In this video, I'll show you how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. Your LinkedIn profile link is the web address that takes people directly to your profile. It usually starts with linkedin.com/in, and it is useful when you want to share your profile in a job application, send it to a recruiter, add it to your resume, or paste it into your email signature. LinkedIn says that if your profile is public, you'll have a public profile URL you can share with others. Let's start with the LinkedIn mobile app. Open the app and tap your profile photo. Then tap your profile photo again to open your full profile. Next, tap the More icon beside the Add section button, then tap Contact Info. Under the Your Profile section, you'll see your public profile URL. That is the link you can copy and share. LinkedIn's help page lists those exact mobile steps for finding your public profile URL. If you are using LinkedIn on desktop, the steps are also simple. Click the Me icon at the top of LinkedIn, then click View Profile. On your profile page, LinkedIn shows your public profile URL in the right pane under Public Profile and URL. You can copy that link and paste it anywhere you need. There is also a quick sharing option on mobile. LinkedIn says you can go to your profile, scroll to the Contact section, tap your profile, and then choose Share Via to send your profile link through LinkedIn or another app on your phone. That is helpful if you want to share the link right away without manually pasting it somewhere else. If your link looks too long or messy, LinkedIn also lets you edit your custom public profile URL. In LinkedIn settings for your public profile URL, you can change the last part of the link to something cleaner, usually a version of your name, as long as it follows LinkedIn's character rules. That's how to find and copy your LinkedIn profile link. Open your profile, go to your contact or public profile URL section, copy the link, and share it wherever you need. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.